It is January and something I want to do more of this year is something I love, and it's cold water swimming. So I set myself a little challenge to do 10 cold water swims this month and to work up to doing a swim just in a swimsuit, not in a wetsuit. And I figured I'd invite you guys to do it with me. If anyone wants to do it with me, or if anyone wants to just follow the journey of starting cold water swimming. I want to aim it for beginners, people that have kind of wanted to but haven't really started yet. Show you guys what to wear, how to feel prepared, safety tips, tips on where to swim, and things you can do along the way to make it more enjoyable and to keep you more warm. Obviously being cold is one of the biggest fears or worries about cold water swimming, and of course coldness comes into it, but there are actually loads of ways to deal with that. So today is my first swim of January and the first swim of the January challenge, and here's how it went. So here is today's setup. Swim number 1 of January with a full wetsuit. So this is the wetsuit, which is actually a 2-piece. So it's really easy to get on and off. That is a 2mm wetsuit, which basically means there is 2 layers of neoprene against the water in me. Underneath, I am going to be wearing my Batoko swimsuit, which I love. I've had for ages. You guys have seen all over Instagram. So I'm going to be wearing boots. These are my scuba boots. I think they're a 5mm. I have had them for, honestly, I don't know, years, 5 years. And look, I mean, they almost look brand new. So the great thing about boots is as long as you don't snag them, you really can have them for quite a long time. I am wearing a hood. You don't have to wear a hood. The reason I want to wear a hood is because I like having the water on my face. I like being able to eventually, once I've got my shoulders under, to actually get my head under as well. So again, designed for scuba diving, but can be used for swimming, and that's a 5mm. So it's really warm. Then on to the gloves. So I have got some 3mm bare gloves. Again, scuba diving gloves, but you can wear them for swimming. They are 3mm and they're really lovely and warm inside. Look at that. I start with my swimsuit, obviously with no underwear on underneath. So I'm completely ready in my swimsuit for when I get to the beach. Then I will put my leggings on, like so, and I'm not going to put the top bit on, but what I will do is I will put my jogging bottoms on, which I will then also put on afterwards. Put a long sleeve t-shirt on. All about the layers, guys. And then a hoodie. Lastly, I'm going to put my hat on, so I'm not going to wear my hat in the water, but it's amazing to have as soon as you get out of the water. Obviously, cold water swimming is not about looking good, so that is something you have to put aside straight away. It's all about you. It's all about how you keep warm. It is so important when you come out of the water that you get warm. Don't care what you look like, layer up. Some top tips of what not to forget if you are dressing like this and getting ready before you go. Number 1, the most important thing is underwear, because once you take off your swimsuit underneath and then you want to get back in your warm clothes, it kind of sucks when you don't have underwear. And that includes socks. Do not forget your socks. I also put my boots on, ready. I can walk straight down into the beach, take my clothes off, straight into the sea. Don't forget to pack some shoes. I actually bring my slippers with me. For the most part, they're the important things that you don't want to forget. Right, all packed and laid up, ready to go. My big Finisterre coat on, which is a dream. Everything's in my backpack. Wearing my boots, and then yeah, it's got some costume and everything underneath, so ready to strip off as fast as I can. Made it to Charmouth Beach. Absolutely beautiful. It's coming to high tide. The sun is setting. There's hardly anyone around. Perfect day for a cold water swim, but it is bitterly cold on the surface. Oh, 5 minutes is up. We're actually nearly on 6 minutes. To be honest, like, I'm definitely acclimatized. I reckon I could stay in longer, but I'm very aware of everything I've read and researched that hypothermia can sneak up on you, and it does take a long time for your body to warm back up when you've been in 9-degree water. So I'm going to keep to my 5 minutes and I'm getting out. It's lovely. It was amazing. I feel like my head is still really dry. I can't imagine what I look like, but I kept warm. Really happy with my equipment. Joel wore a 5mm wetsuit, mine's 2mm. So, but he hasn't got a hood on, gloves or boots. So yeah, I reckon he's even colder than I am, because you lose a lot of your heat from your head.